Welcome all of you to the Qsigma. Today is June 4th and this is the Asian session. We selected some few currency pairs and indexes for our portfolio to trade, and we also get in some trades in this morning in this Asian session. Now I'm going to give you some overview about our selected portfolio, and that I'm going to show you the trades that we are getting today in this session. First, we selected AUD USD in this week to trade, and that's a good selection because if we see that this is the first time our algorithm changes the phase for the buy side, and now still we are in the buy side. The first trade that we got is very good profitably trade, and we exited. The second one also good profitable, and the third one, when we talking about the third one, you can learn from this trade, because you get in the trade and you lose the trade. So there's a rule: if you lose the trade, can you enter this? No, you cannot. Because why? You cannot enter this. If you lose the first trade, if that is the same impulse, if you get the alert in the same impulse, you cannot get in the trade. Can you enter here? No, you cannot enter here. You cannot enter for these two trades. The first trade you lose, the second and third alerts you cannot enter because of the rule. We will not enter for the trades if a trade is loose and in the same impulse. Okay, so we have to wait for a correction. So this is some impulse and it's corrected. If we get buy trades and it's further selling and we need a buy correction, we get the correction, can we enter here? Yes, of course we can enter here, because that's not the same impulse. You get wrong in here and this is the same impulse, you do not enter for these buy trades. Now it corrected, now this is another one, you can enter here. I think you will understand our rule. So we get in for several trades and we get out, and partially or fully we get in here and get out, or partially we get in here, get out, and we have good profitable week about in our USD. Yesterday we get another example of the like previous one. We get the trade, but unfortunately it lose and we got another alerts. Can we enter here? No, we cannot, because we have to wait for to end of this impulse, and we another corrected and we got the another alert. Can we enter here? Of course you can enter here, but unfortunately we not able to enter for that because it's midnight. For this Asian session, still we don't have get any alert for the AUD USD. The next currency pair that is in our portfolio is Euro USD. This is the most tradable traded currency pair, and most common that we mostly we use the Euro USD trading pair. This is the first time our algorithm gives the phase change, and still now we are in the buy side, and we have good plenty of trades. We get in here and we get out here, we get in here, we get out here, and we don't get in here because if we are in a one trade, can you enter for the another trades? No, you cannot enter for the another trades. If you are getting in a one trade, you have to keep that until it exit. You can get in the mid of the trade. Okay, and we get in the here and we get out here, we get in trades, we get out partially or fully, we get in yesterday and we get out. Today in the Asian session, we'll see in the late of the day, still we do not have any prediction from the Euro USD pair. The next pair is GBP USD. As always, we love this pair because it's moving very fast. This is the first time it changed the phase. Until now we are in the buy side. We got good trades, and we get in here and we get out, and we get in these trades, we get out, we get in here, we get out, get in here, get out, get in here, get out. A good profitable impulse is this. We catch most of the pips, and today the first time this impulse we got a losing trade. In this impulse we is still in the losing side. So we'll see if this impulse is corrected much. If we get another buy, we can enter. If this is corrected much, if not, we wait for another directions prediction. The next currency pair is in our portfolio is what we called not USD JPY. We are not in GBP AUD today. In this today we enter for the trade. we enter for the sell trade in here. Why we enter for the sell trade? We got this is our selling phase is still right now, and we are positive right here right now, and we get if this is the yesterday's prediction, and we got loose trade. And can we enter these trades? No, you cannot enter for these trades, because why? This is the same impulse. Then what happened is, in the midnight in the yesterday, it corrected. Then this is a new phase. Can we enter here? Of course you can enter here. That's why we entered in here in this Asian session. So we get in one trade in GBP AUD. It's a sell, it's a short trade. The next one is NSD USD. This also in our portfolio, and also we have a trade running right now in the Asian session. This is the first time we get the buy phase. Still now we are in the buy phase, and we have plenty of good trades in this week for the NSD USD. So yesterday also a good profitable trade. In this today we got the Asian session at the midnight in the beginning of the day, a good trade. We enter for the trade right now it is in the positive mode. So NSD USD we have a long position activated. The next one in our portfolio is USD SGD is a good currency pair for right now, and we have a plenty of sell phase in the past days. These are the trades that our algorithm predicted. In yesterday we got a trade, and if we exit in here, this is the new signals. Now it's in the losing phase, but we don't end for these trades. If we get another sell trades, if it's still in the losing phase, we cannot get in. So we wait for correction and another prediction, or totally different direction prediction. So that's in our portfolio, this currency pair. Let's go for the next one. Okay, next one is the two indexes that we in for our portfolio. It's German index. German index is a very good index to trade, and these are the phases, and we have plenty of good trades right now. And there's one ranging area, and now it's a trending area for buy side, and we have good trades for the German index. In today's Asian session we got two signals, but unfortunately we don't end for the trades, but our portfolio still can bear two trades, because 0.5% risk and 0.5% risk with the 2% total risk allocation. We have another two empty spaces for trades. We'll see in the London and New York, even in the Asian session, if we have another two trades that we can enter, we're going to enter for our portfolio. Unfortunately, German index we cannot we don't enter for the trades today. The last one is the crude oil. This is one of best. In this the phase, we are in the sell phase, and we have plenty of trades for the sell side. Today we got a good trade, but this is the exit also given. After the exit, it's jump again up, but we don't end for this trade. But the crude oil is in our portfolio. So this is the selected portfolio for this week and this day, and this is the Asian session. I think you learned something from these videos, because I'm not only giving you the results and the get in trades, and also I'm explaining how we get in and why we don't get in, and other rules. So thank you for watching. See you later.